Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
17 years. After 17 years underground, cicadas will make their return in 2020, amassing in the millions in parks, woods, and other outdoor spaces. While the numbers might seem alarming, never fear. The critters may prove a nuisance, but they're actually harmless, says Gary Parsons, an entomologist at Michigan State University. 28 May 2020.
Take our lead.
Locusts and cicadas, particularly periodical cicadas, are often confused. Locusts are a type of grasshopper, while cicadas are actually cousins of crickets. The confusion between the two insects has been plaguing North America since the first colonists encountered periodical cicadas. 26 September 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.